I'm trying.
Okay, so we're going to have a look at our lungs right now. And these are our deflated lungs. They're pretty spongy. What happens when the heart sends blood to the lungs?
The lungs make the blood, then the lungs give oxygen to the blood.
The lungs give oxygen to the blood. Now, I wonder what the lungs look like when they inflate.
It's going to be pretty loud.
Well, normally breathing's not this loud, but let's give this a go. Are we ready?
Set, go!
So the lungs get bigger. And they get quite a lot bigger. We'll turn this one sideways a little bit.
It does go explode.
So as you can see, we have a trachea here. And the air goes down through the trachea and it fills up the lungs. But also, the lungs have other valves which carry the blood from the heart. I didn't clean this up properly. Let's have a side angle of our inflating lungs.
Yeah, that's pretty insane.
Whoa, it gets a bit scary.
Can it burst?
I don't know if it can burst. I guess it could.
I don't want it.
Alright, so now we know what happens. When the air goes in, our lungs fill up, and they fill up quite a lot. So, shall we take a look inside a lung?
Spongy, yes.
They are spongy. Where's my scalpel?
If it's spongy, it would be used for cleaning.
Not that sort of sponge. So, let's have a look.
Ooh, you just drag blood around. We're going to see the atrium?
No, let's see. We're going to see a lot of
blood.
Well, we'll see a lot of vessels.
What are vessels?
Blood vessels. So the blood gets carried into the lungs.
Also, it looks spongy in the middle.
It is quite spongy.
Looks like...
And it has a lot of vessels.
Where's the vessel?
And this is where all these little dark bits.
It looks like cooked blood toast.
In there.
Looks like cooked blood toast.
Let's see. From our trachea. So here's our trachea. I'm going to turn it upside down. I'm going to see if I can cut through.
Wait, what's that wormy? That kind of wormy bit?
Which fingers? That was just the
windpipe.
The liver. Oh, the wormy bit. I don't know. I don't know what wormy bit.
That what?
This bit.
Yeah.
That was where I cut the liver off.
Oh, it's still connecting.
So let's have a look. Did you know, this is very interesting information. Here we go. Found it. Found what I'm looking for.
Please believe us.
Alright, so look. We go in through the trachea. Little hole. And into each lung via the airway.
Good master smart. Can we blow it up again?
Well, we can't now because I've just cut a massive hole in it.
And then
But here's
you can do
one lung.
If one lung has a pipe, you can blow.
And this is the pipe into that lung. I might just see if I can use my scissors actually. It might be easier than the scalpel. Where's my
scissors? These tweezers. Do not use them.
My chicken shears.
Whatever you do, don't you do this at home, I will say. The tweezers are yellow. Have you put earwax in these tweezers? Because they're yellow.
Okay. We're going to see the bronchial tubes. Oh, this is very, very interesting in here.
Is it easier?
Not really. So, in here, do you see?
Well, look at all those holes. What are they?
That's where all the oxygen goes, and the blood flows in through here. Our oxygen in and out through here.
Okay.
It's like a little set of teeth.
What are those holes? Show the video. What are these holes like bunnies live in them?
No, it's so that the airflow can go all the way through the lungs.
But, oh.
Did you know, remember we did the smoking experiment yesterday?
Yeah. Ooh.
And we said that when the oxygen comes in through the trachea,
Day before.
right, in through the trachea, and it fills the lungs. So that means when you're smoking a cigarette, instead of all this getting filled with oxygen, all this gets filled with nicotine and tar. And then it becomes black and unhealthy.
Oh, nicotine sounds funny. Put it down, Cyrus. Wonder why nicotine sounds funny.
Any questions?
Like, check inside the pipe. Can you cut the pipe in half so we can see what's in the pipe?
Well, there's nothing in the windpipe. You can have a look through it. See?
Ooh. Wait, can I see again?
And can you remember how you could tell which was the left and which was the right lung?
Which one's smaller?
How many?
The smaller one was left and the bigger one was right.
Yeah, and how many pieces it had. So this is your right lung because it has the 3 bits. And this is the 2 bits.
The right lung was big, so it would have 3 bits, and the left lung was small, so it would have 2 bits.
That is correct.
Making me jelly.
So there you go.
So it's making you feel like jelly.
Now you've had all the fun of a lung.
Don't forget